Hello everyone. So now we are going to do practice set 3.3 first problem. But before we do that, I'm going to quickly recap the isosceles triangle theorem. The isosceles triangle theorem says that if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are congruent. So an isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are congruent. We all know this. So this theorem says that if these two sides are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are congruent. So um, which is the angle opposite to this side? This angle, marking it with yellow. And which is the angle opposite to this side? This angle. So if these two sides are congruent, then these two angles also become congruent by isosceles triangle theorem. That is what this theorem says. So having recalled that, we will go now to this question. This figure has been given to us. The measures of some angles are given to us, and we have to find the measure of angle ABD. That is this big angle, and measure of angle ACD. ACD, that is this big angle. So I need to find the measures of these two angles. To find the measure of this big angle, I need to find x. To find the measure of this big angle, I need to find y. So in triangle ABC, if I see this triangle, I know that seg AB is congruent to seg AC, and that is given to me. So I know that this triangle is an isosceles triangle because these two sides are congruent. So I know that the angles opposite to these two sides should also be congruent. So I know that angle ABC should be congruent to angle ACB. And that I know by isosceles triangle theorem. Now I know that angle ABC is, this angle is angle X, and angle ACB is 50 degrees. That is given to me. So angle ACB is equal to 50 degrees. This is given. So therefore, if these two are equal, X should also be 50 degrees. So I get the value of X as 50 degrees. So when I get this as 50 degrees, I already know this is 60 degrees. So this whole angle ABD is going to be 50 plus 60, that is 110. So let's write that angle ABD is equal to angle ABC plus angle CBD. And I write the reason as angle addition property. That means I can add these two angles to get the bigger angle. I know this as 50 degrees plus this as 60 degrees. And the measure of angle ABD I find as angle as 110 degrees. So I'm done with this first part. Let me box my answer. Let's go to the second part. I need to find the value of y for me to find this angle ACD. So I look at the other triangle and triangle BDC. In this, seg BD is congruent to seg CD. It's given to me. Therefore, angle DBC is congruent to angle DCB. So these two angles are congruent. Write the reason as isosceles triangle theorem. Let me erase this part. So if these two are equal, I know angle DBC as 60 degrees. So that is given to me. So the other angle, that angle DCB, will also be 60 degrees. So, but angle DCB is Y. So Y is 60 degrees. So I know Y here is 60 degrees. This one I already know as 50. So the whole angle ACD is going to be 50 plus 60, that is 110. So angle ACD is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. I write angle addition property. So angle ACD is equal to 60 degrees plus 50 degrees, that is 110 degrees. Okay, with that, I'm done with the second part as well. I hope this is clear. Thank you.